Good morning, third grade.
Good morning.
Today we're going to learn about liquid measurements, and to help us understand, we have Mr. Gallon Man. Mr. Gallon Man has a body just like us, and they all represent a liquid measurement. And his biggest one is his stomach. And his stomach equals a gallon. And attached to his stomach are arms and legs like ours. And he has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like us. And they represent a quart. So there are 4 quarts and 1 gallon. And Mr. Gallon Man has 2 calf bones and 2 arm bones. And they represent pints. And they're attached to his arms. And there are 2 pints. So there are 2 pints in every quart. Okay, does that make sense? And then since he has 2 arms and 2 legs, there's 2 arm bones and 2 leg bones each attached to the quart. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 pints and 1 gallon. So it all goes up back to the gallon. And then Mr. Gallon Man only has 4 fingers and 4 toes. We have 5. And they represent cups. And there are 2 cups attached to every pint. So there are 2 cups in a pint, and that's attached to 1 arm. See? Like that. So 2 go to 1 pint, 2 go to the other pint. And so there are 4 cups in 1 quart, because he has 4 fingers attached to 1 arm, and 4 toes attached to 1 leg. And total, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. You guys know how to count, right? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there's 16 cups in 1 gallon. Does that make sense? And luckily, Mr. Gallon Man also has a song, which you all have with you. You might have to share. There's a paper with you guys. We're all going to learn the Mr. Gallon Man song to also help us remember our liquid measurements. And first, we're going to listen to the tune. It might be a tune that you guys may be familiar with. It's The Ants Go Marching Down. So we're going to listen to it for about a minute, and we're going to try to pick up the tune, and then we're all going to listen to the song together. So let's listen to the tune.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching.
Okay. Do you think we got it? Yes. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is I'll sing the first part, and then you guys will sing it with me, and then I'll sing the next part, and then you guys will sing it with me. Okay? So it goes, 2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. 2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. Okay, now it's your turn.
2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. 2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah.
Okay, good. Now the second part. As doubles they plunge into a quart, standing so quiet as if they're apart. As they all go marching into the chest to get out of the ring. As
Doubles they plunge into a quart, standing so quiet as if they're in a quart. As they all
It's
go
kinda hard.
marching down the chest to get out of the rain.
Okay. 4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. 4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah.
4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. 4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah.
Good. All four follow and slip and slide, standing so close as if they're tied, as they all go marching into the chest to get out of the rain. All four follow and slip and slide, standing so close as if they're tied, as they all go marching into the chest to get out of the rain. Okay, good. A gallon goes marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. A gallon goes marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. A gallon goes marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. A gallon goes marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Good. Add together 8 pints and 4 quarts. The total is always 1 gallon, of course, as they all go marching, equivalent, and dry out of the rain. Okay. Together 8 pints and 4 quarts. The total is always 1 gallon, of course, as they all go marching, equivalent, and dry out of the rain.
Sorry.
We're going to try to sing the whole song, but I think we need to listen to the tune again. Do you guys want to listen to the tune again?
I mean, we got the tune, it's just the words. The tune is good.
No, it took me a minute to figure it out. I've had, Miss Ruiz has had this song stuck in her head for days.
4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 5 by 5.
So try not to think of the ants, and we're all going to try to sing the whole song, okay?
Okay.
You think we got it?
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. 2 pints go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. As doubles they plunge into the quart, standing so quiet as if they're in court. They all go marching in to the chest to get out of the rain. 4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. 4 quarts go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. All 4 follow and slip and slide, standing so close as if they were tied, as they all go marching in to the chest to get out of the rain. A gallon goes marching 1 by 1, hurrah, hurrah. A gallon goes marching 1 by 1, hurrah, hurrah. Aggregate together in pints or quarts, the total is always 1 gallon, of course, as they all go marching, equivalent, and dry out of the rain.
That's what the last one.
Good. Now we're going to have this sheet, we're going to pass it out. You guys are going to try to answer them. And go ahead, feel free to use Mr. Gallon Man to help you figure out the answers. And then we will all go over them together. We're going to be
Okay.
all fun. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up whenever you're finished with them all. See if we all have the same answers. Hopefully we all do. Is Mr. Gallon Man helping? Alright, are we ready? Who knows the answer to number 1? Which one? Number 1. Quart. A quart. Good. So do we all see that a quart is bigger than a cup? It's his arm, and your arm is bigger than your hand. Okay, number 2.
Gallon.
Gallon. The gallon. Of course, the gallon is his biggest part, his stomach. Number 3. Gallon. Okay, number 4. Pint. Good. 5.
Quart.
Quart. Okay, and 6. How many quarts are in 1 gallon?
4.
Good. And how do we know that?
Mr. Gallon
What part of Mr. Gallon is?
And his arm and
legs. Good. And how many cups are in a gallon?
16.
16. And how many pints are in a quart?
8.
8. It's two.
Oh, in a quart.
Yeah, there's 2 pints in 1 quart.
Mm.
Yeah, and there's 8 pints in
Total.
1 gallon. They all connect back to 1. Am I out of time? I'm not sure. All right. Okay. Well, thank you, class.
All right.